Good morning, my dear students of class 9. In our previous class, we were studying about periodic table, in which we had seen what is the use of periodic table, what is Daubernier's periodic table or Daubernier's triad, then Newland's octave law. Today, we will start Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev was a Russian chemist. He prepared this periodic table in 1869. Like other chemists and scientists, he also arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses. When he was preparing this periodic table, by that time only 63 elements were known. Elements like 63 elements were known. Very few radioactive elements were known, and we had no idea. In fact, Mendeleev, while he was preparing his periodic table, by that time we didn't have any idea about inert gases. ऐसा नहीं है कि उस समय inert gas नहीं था, but हम नहीं जानते थे. We were not knowing. So while he was preparing his periodic table, by that time only 63 elements were known. He arranged this periodic table in increasing order of their atomic masses. Elements, those who were similar in properties and they were kept in one group. He made a table. This is called vertical columns, and these are called horizontal columns. So Mendeleev prepared his periodic table in such a way he divided the elements into 8 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see 8 groups. And here you see the columns, vertical columns, not vertical columns, horizontal one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he divided his periodic table in 8 vertical columns. These 8 vertical columns were known as groups, and the vertical columns were known as groups, and horizontal columns were called as periods. Now you see, in each group they were further subdivided: A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and 8th group was not subdivided. He kept 3 elements in a group. So what we came to know that Mendeleev divided his periodic table in 8 groups. Each groups were 1 to 7. Each group were subdivided into A and B, but group 8 was untouched. Here it will be the same. The elements with similar properties were put one after the another in the same vertical column, that is called group, with blank spaces where the expected periodicity of properties was disrupted. What does it mean? You see here, after aluminium, here is your aluminium. He kept this place vacant. Just below silicon, he kept this place vacant. He has assumed he has predicted that after some time we will have an element whose property will be very much similar to aluminium. Just below silicon there will be an element whose property will be very much similar to silicon. So he had left 10 spaces, 10 blank spaces, predicting about the element which he was not knowing, which was not in existence in that time. Now one word is here, periodicity. What is periodicity? In last class also I have told you, periodicity, it is the repetition of similar properties, repetition of similar physical and chemical properties. So after arranging the elements in increasing order of their atomic masses, he observed that elements with similar properties occurred at regular interval of time. This he called as periodicity of properties of elements. Periodicity of properties of elements means repetition of the properties of the elements. For example, you see helium. After coming helium, it is now lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus. Then he came to sodium, increasing order of atomic masses. Now he came to potassium. So they all fall in same vertical column, same group, and they all have the same properties, that they all get dissolved in water and form alkalis. Similarly, here in group 7, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they came in same group. They have the similar property that they all are halogens. Halogens means they all are salt forming elements. They react with metals and form salt. So, based on the propounded law that is called Mendeleev periodic law, according to this law, when the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, we get at the certain interval of time we get the similar elements having the similar properties. So, physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function, are the repetition of the similar properties of their atomic masses. We must get it by heart, this definition. So, these were the elements which were known at that time. Now, what is periodic table? A chart of element prepared in such a way that elements with similar properties occur in the same vertical column, in same group. It is called periodic because when the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, after fixed interval of time or periods, the similar elements come. Therefore, it is called periodic table. What are the important properties, essential features of Mendeleev periodic table? The Mendeleev periodic table has vertical columns called group and horizontal columns called as periods. There are 8 groups already. These things I have told you. Group 1 to 8 divided into group 1 to 8. Each of the group from 1 to 7 is further subdivided into 2 subgroups A and B, but group 8 has no subdivisions. Inert gases were not known at that time. All elements of subgroup have similar properties and show the same valency also, like so in this group, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they all have one valency. In this group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, they all have two valency. So, all elements of a subgroup have the same valency, which is equals to the number of group in which they are kept. If they are in first group, their valency is 1. If they are in group 2, valency is 2. Third group, valency is 3. Fourth group, it is valency 4. Now if it is fifth group, then 8 minus 5. Then it will be 8 minus 5. After 4, till group 4, valency will be 1, 2, 3, 4 as the number of group. But as we cross 4, after 5, the elements of group 5, its valency is 8 minus 5. Group 6 element, 8 minus 6 means 2. Group 7 elements, 8 minus 7, 1. In a period, elements gradually change from metallic to non-metallic character, or we can say metallic characteristic decreases as one moves from left to right. Left to right, or we also use word across. So as we move from left to right, the metallic characteristic decreases, or we can see non-metallic characteristic increases. But as we move from top to bottom, metallic characteristic increases and non-metallic characteristic decreases. What are the merits? What are the merits? So first of all, he generalized the study of elements known to a study of 8 groups. Means it is a merit of that periodic table that after a research he arranged the elements in 8 groups. Gaps for undiscovered elements. As I told you, he left some spaces just below aluminium, just below silicon, in order to make sure that elements having similar properties fell in same vertical column or groups. Mendeleev left some gaps in his periodic table. These gaps were left for subsequent inclusion of elements not known at that time. Means he had predicted. So prediction of properties of undiscovered, he predicted. I have told you earlier, he had predicted the properties of the unknown elements on the basis of properties of elements lying adjacent, just beside to the vacant slots. He actually predicted the properties of some undiscovered element, and he gave the name of that element Eka. Eka means just one place below, like aluminium, just below aluminium. He told that there will be an element just below aluminium which will have the similar property like aluminium. So he named it as Eka aluminium. Eka aluminium means one place below aluminium. Its atomic mass, chemical properties will be quite similar. Are quite similar means after invention will be quite similar to that of the gallium, which was discovered later on. So after gallium, like silicon, Eka silicon. Later on, after silicon, this germanium was discovered, whose property were similar. You can see it here. The atomic mass aluminium is this one, gallium is very much close, silicon is this one, and germanium very much close. Density 5.9, its density of gallium is 5.91. Likewise, melting point is low, its melting point is also low. Valency 3, its valency is 3. It is M2O3. M stands for aluminium. To Al2O3, it will be gallium oxide, Ga2O3. Similarly here, For silicon, MO2 means SiO2, it will be GeO2. Then, incorrect atomic mass were corrected. He had corrected the incorrect masses, which we will study in after 1 or 2 periods. So, incorrect values of the atomic masses of elements like gold and platinum by placing these elements on the basis of similarities of their property. But beside these merits, there were some demerits also. Anomalous property. Anomalous property is what? Some elements were having the unusual properties. And anomalous means unusual. There were some elements whose properties were similar, but they were kept in different groups, and there were some elements whose property were different, but they were kept in same group. There were a few elements whose atomic mass was greater, but it was kept before the elements having the less atomic mass. For example, here argon, its atomic mass is 39.9 and potassium 39.1. So this potassium should come before argon, but when this inert gas was invented, this potassium was after this argon. This was a demerit. Cobalt 58.9, and this is your nickel 58.6. Nickel should come first, but cobalt was given first place. Here cobalt is before this nickel. Likewise, tellurium, atomic mass is 127.6 and iodine 129.9. So this iodine should come first. Iodine should come first, but tellurium was given first place. While he was preparing the periodic table, we had no idea about isotopes. What is isotopes? Isotopes of the elements of atom having the similar chemical properties. Isotopes are the atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. We didn't have the idea of isotopes. So, according to Mendeleev periodic law, isotopes of an element must be given separate place in the periodic table because they have different atomic masses. But it was not done so. Grouping of chemically dissimilar elements. I told you, elements such as copper and silver both have no resemblance. Both have different properties. Both these atoms have different properties. Copper and silver. See, copper and silver, they are placed in one group but have different properties. Separation of chemically similar elements. Elements that are chemically similar, such as gold and platinum, have been placed in separate position. We are given separate position. You can see here Pt, platinum, and here is your gold. Both are gold and platinum are called noble metals. What is noble metals? The metals which do not react with air, moisture and acid. Air, moisture and acid has no effect on these two metals, gold and platinum. Therefore they are called NOBLE, noble metals. Both have the similar properties, but they are given different places. This law, Mendeleev law, does not explain the electronic configuration. It does not explain the electron arrangement, how the electrons are arranged. Like in first cell there will be 2 electrons, second cell there will be 8 electrons, in third cell it will be 18. This law does not explain. Position of hydrogen. Hydrogen was not given a fixed position. It was considered in group 1A as well as 7A because see, hydrogen, its valency is 1 and it is a non-metal, and here in group 7 fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they all have valency 1. So why it was not placed in the same group in group 7, why it was placed in group 1? This was a controversy. So after this there was Henry Moseley. Atomic number, he thought, suppose it is hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen in which there is protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium has no neutron, so its atomic mass will be 1. Mass number is 1 means atomic mass is 1. Deuterium, 1 proton, 1 neutron. Its atomic number will be 1, but mass number will be 2, so means atomic mass will be 2. Tritium, its mass number is 3, means atomic mass is 3. So he thought that the magnitude of positive charges present in the nucleus, means number of protons present in the nucleus, it never change. Then why the atomic number should not be taken as the basic unit? In isotopes, atomic masses changes, mass number changes means atomic masses changes, but atomic number will never change. So instead of atomic mass, he had chosen the atomic number. So the number of protons, positive charge, present in the nucleus of an atom of a particular element, it is called atomic number. We are knowing the number of protons present in the nucleus is called atomic number. So he had taken this number of protons, means proton, as atomic number as basic unit. So sum of the positive charges present in the nucleus is due to the protons, and the number of protons, it is equal to atomic number. So Henry Moseley found the atomic number as basic and better fundamental properties of elements in comparison of atomic masses. Now this idea led to the formation of new periodic table, which is known as your modern periodic table. If you compare this definition with Mendeleev, you will get 100% word to word it is same, except atomic mass and atomic number. Modern periodic table was according to atomic masses, but Mendeleev periodic table was physical, and Mendeleev was according to their atomic masses, but modern periodic law, it is according to their atomic number. So physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. If elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number, those with similar properties are repeated after regular interval of time, means properties of similar properties, means periodicity in the periodic table occurs based on atomic number. Still, now explanation of anomalies in Mendeleev. Position of isotopes. What is isotopes? Having same atomic number but different mass number. This was corrected. Why? Since all isotopes and element have the same atomic number, same number of protons, their atomic number is also same. So, and since all isotopes and element have the same atomic number, they can be given only one place. So they can be put at the same position. Now, position of anomalous, unusual pairs. The atomic number of argon is 18, but atomic number means atomic number is 18 and its mass number is 40, while atomic number of potassium is 19. So argon could be placed before potassium. So these anomalous properties were corrected by Henry Moseley, means corrected by modern periodic table. Now we will start 5b next day. Still you have to write down all the question answer of 5a. Wish you all the best.